Okay, we're going to do another demonstration here of the Cobra Clamp. You can see it's in the holder there. I'll go ahead and click it out so you see that I don't have it latched in there. I do have the case on it. That's because I use the case on it around here mainly. So I can do it later without the case. We'll do it with the case right now. But you can see, snapped right back in there. Basically, if you hold it like this, eventually it'll fall out, but not really. So, you can see, shake it around. Basically, you can't even force the thing out of there. And you can see it'll hold it either way, upside down, or however. Well, we knocked it out of there. It took long enough, huh? So, put it back in. And actually, this would be a good time to show how you readjust the clamp as it gets loose. You can see right there we've got the main bend. That's where it keeps it tight. So it loosened up a little. We'll push that down, push that bend in, and we'll try it back out here. See, so you want to get it put in the bottom first and pull the top up over it, and it's clamped in there again. You can see pretty stable. See how it slid over just a little bit from some aggressive shaking there though. And I have it on the pole, that probably is forcing it over a little bit. Not too bad. Also, if you want to go the other direction with the iPad, you can. As you can see, I've got it in the clamp, holding it the other way, so it goes both ways. Basically, it's invincible. Perfect is okay. Problem we have right now is that in China they make these things, probably could make this thing pretty cheap. Over here it might cost us a little more. Also, you've got the fact that people want it to break. Well, it's not gonna break. It's one of those products that was made here in the USA that lasts forever, kind of like the stuff our grandparents made, that you can go in the thrift store and find and it still works. What we've got, we can straighten it out, we can do whatever. As you can see, it's made with a special metal here that I've got, with a special coating, and bend it right back in place. You know, it'll hold any tablet, any iPad, but you know, I prefer to use the iPad. It's a superior product there. It'll hold whatever. Okay, there we go. We're back in place, bend in. So it's not very hard to adjust, as you can see. The plan is also to create a application that you can go on and download a template, and you can upload your design into the template and print it out on regular printer paper, like label paper, and stick it on there. That's what that is right there. It's all just regular label paper and so on. So that's another possibility to allow for creativity, and get us a product here that will last forever. And there's no need for it to break, because I only need to sell everybody one. As many iPads as there are out there, I don't need to sell you 5 or 6 of them, just one for each iPad. You can see it's made to go anywhere. We'll go over here, clamp onto whatever. That's probably not such the greatest place, but you need to open the drawer. There you go, you got the drawer open, and you got it clamped on the side of the drawer, upside down. So whatever the angle is, it's ready to clamp onto that, wherever, like I say, wherever. You go over here, you go to the side of the bench. There you go, you're on the side of the bench. You need to go outside, clamp it on something outside. Look there, we're on the side of that thing hanging off there. So it's it works. Alright, well, the next thing, all I can do is hope we can move forward with it. Maybe get everybody to try to pre-order these things, and we'll get them to you as soon as we can, and then we'll start making them here in the USA after we get enough made over there, probably cheap enough to afford to make them here. Once again, it's a Cobra Clamp, named after the cobra, as it kind of looks like a cobra, I think. So I don't know, I guess I'm going to start by trying to spread the word on Facebook, some websites, whatnot. Alright, hope you guys liked it. Thanks.